Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Chewy Marketplace, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin registering with Chewy Marketplace, open your web browser and navigate to the Chewy Marketplace website. Once on the home page, look for the register button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the register button to access the registration form. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address that you wish to use for your Chewy Marketplace account. Next, create a secure password. Make sure your password meets the specified criteria for security. After entering your password, confirm it by typing it in again in the designated field. Fill in all required fields on the registration form, which may include your business name, contact number, and address. Once you have completed the form, review all the information to ensure accuracy. Look for the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions, and ensure you check it. After you have agreed to the terms, click on the Submit or Register button to proceed. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your registration. Check your email inbox and locate the confirmation email from Chewy Marketplace. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you to the Chewy Marketplace website, confirming your registration. Once confirmed, log in using your email address and password. After logging in, complete any further profile setup as required. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools and features available to you. You are now successfully registered with Chewy Marketplace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.